All right, y'all. Just like I suspected, I was able to put this baby together, except for a few things. The side, what you call that damn thing? The caddy for the hose and attachments would not fit the machine. I think that caddy that I found might be for like a different machine. I don't know everything, but I believe the Hoovers that were made outside the USA might have had their caddies to the left. Oh, no, the right, sorry. And I don't know. I'm not even about to get tongue twisted up in that whole conversation. Anyway, the damn thing wouldn't fit. So I don't have a headlight for it neither, but I was able to put it in working condition. It's in pretty good condition except for the small tear on the back. And I think I do remember buying this thing like in 2019 or something. Or it might have been last year. I kind of remember seeing that. It's got that small little tear right there, and then it's like another one right there. But I just popped a brand new bag in it. Just put a brand new belt on it, and it does work. I might end up putting that one for sale. I might put it on eBay, might put it on Wish, might put it on Facebook Market, or I might just keep it. Who knows? Till then, I'll let you see what I did. I put her back together. Warning, the thing gets a little loud, but she does work. So here she is. That is just what I do, people. I find things that are broken and put them back together. The best way I know how. And if I can't put them back together, I try desperately trying to put them back together. I think I definitely aced that. So go ahead and comment below and let me know what you think about it. It might be sold to a city near you. It's your boy, yours truly, Mr. Kevin Love himself, and I'm out. Peace.